We're anchored out in front of the lighthouse. The lighthouse right there at Hopetown. We're gonna go check that out, actually, the lighthouse.
We're starting to do our walkabout in Hopetown. Right now.
Is this the bush where it's got those beans you can eat, right?
No,
Yes.
I don't think.
Yeah.
Oh, it is maybe, but they have
Here,
to be.
try it.
No, the bigger ones. The bigger ones, not the little ones.
Sure, go ahead, try it.
Nope.
If you die, I'll live.
Go ahead. I think they're supposed to be darker for them to be sweet.
No, they're good. Yeah. Yeah, you can eat these things. I don't know what they're called.
We were told that the last time we came here. So we did bingo there last night, and for the first time coming here, I didn't win on the bingo.
How are you?
All right, dear. What do you think? Having a nice stroll through Hopetown?
Civilization, concrete. This is not white sand. This is concrete, white picket fences.
Yes.
Gardening.
Everything's
Double-decker homes.
nice and organized, clean, tidy.
You know,
great.
one thing we don't have, I mean, this is almost being civilized. One thing we don't have is unlimited hot water.
Yes.
I think there's a beach right down in the end here.
On the one side, yeah, there's that whatchamacallit bench there at the end.
Store here too. Isn't this? I thought this was a grocery store. Did you go into the grocery store?
No, I didn't. It's right there beside Captain Jack's.
Check it out. This thing survived Dorian. Nothing's gonna pull this over. Not a chance. Look how thick it is. Here we go. Built in 1864. Rebuilt in 1934. 17 miles. Visibility. Yeah. Yes, this is how they hoist the kerosene up. Oh, we gotta sign it again. Wow.
23, yeah. Oh, it's a new book all the time. Okay.
Okay.
So today is,
Use your phone there to know the date.
yeah.
Do you know the date? No, you don't even know what
21st.
time it is. Every day doesn't matter to you. You don't have a schedule. Get up whenever you want. It's Saturday every day for you. Did you put my name down?
Yeah, your name actually went first.
Oh, nice. Okay, dear, after you. I want to look at your ass all the way up.
Oh boy.
There she goes. All right, let's do it. Hey, you gonna count the steps or what? I'm gonna count.
I didn't count.
I'm gonna count. You can't count that high anyways.
I know.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 20. Yeah, 20 again. Another 20.
This holds the fuel for the pressure, right?
Yeah, this is where they put the fuel and the pressure vessel. Look how thick these walls are.
Yeah. It's incredible.
80. Now, go ahead, dear.
This explains, it's hard to read it though, so.
Yeah, they got water damage. Careful.
Yeah.
3-point contact. Let's go.
Yeah.
Don't screw around. Buy around. 98 steps to the actual machine. Now Sandy's gonna go out on the rail. I'll go out in a minute. Yeah, and then you gotta go up here, I guess, to light it. This thing operates every night. It's old school, man. Yeah, there's the glass. Up there, there's a curtain that they raise up, and bang. There's a lighthouse keeper that works this every day. Look at the view out here. I'm gonna fly the drone. I am gonna fly the drone out here. And let's go outside this little hatchway. Wow. Wow, where's the Navicula? The Navicula is anchored right there. So 1, 2, third boat. One, that little one, the catamaran, and then Navicula's out there. Pretty windy up here, eh? Holy cow. I don't know if I can fly the drone. Wow. I can give it a whirl. What's the worst thing that can happen? I can lose it. Ooh, it's windy. So there is the curtain that raises up and lets the light out. So there's actually another gangway. It'd be over 100 steps to get to the top here. Hopetown Abacos, Bahamas. Evenings like this, the sun is setting, we are back on our way to the boat via dinghy, and the view and the warmth just sends shivers up my spine. I'm telling you, we are blessed to be able to do this and see what we're seeing. Thank you for following. We appreciate it.